Mom and I are in the Buick. It's our first excursion. Well, Mom got this far before. We're kind of stuck now, going up Stonefield, right here about the pool. And it's just crazy here, this road. I don't know what's going on. Someone, I think, is stuck right in front of us. If you can look behind us, I don't know if you can tell at all. Okay, we're moving now. Alright, we're very, whoa, holy cow, this area, we're swaying back and forth. It's like a huge roller coaster. We got a car trying to come in or get out or something up here. We have made it past the pool. We're just bumping all over. We have only one lane going through here. And it's just absolute insanity. But if we've made it this far, we should be able to make it to Union Mill. But whoa, look at this here. It's like we've lost a plow lane now up here. Trying to follow this other car in front of us through their tracks. And this is just unreal. They've already announced that school has been canceled Thursday and Friday, so that is an entire week cancellation of school due to this blizzard. But we have been able to make it up to the top of Stonefield now. And you can probably go ahead and cut out the video. But now we're going along on Union Mill. We made it onto Union Mill, and as you can see, Union Mill has been plowed and cleared, but there is still about a 1 or 2 inch ice snow coating remaining on the bottom. So we're going about 15 miles an hour down Union Mill, and up ahead we can actually see some dry pavement. Okay, we have made it to Giant. This is our first excursion out of the house since the storm struck Saturday night, January 6th into Sunday, January 7th. So we have been stranded at home for 3 days. We finally were able to make it out to the Colonnade Shopping Center, which is just an absolute mess here. They've only plowed about half the parking spots open. Even the roadways here are covered with several inches of what is now packed down snow and pretty much ice. But our trusty old Buick did make it here to the Giant. And I dropped Mom off there. I'm going to go in and join her. But what a mess. It's going to take weeks for all this to melt and for the area to get back to normal, even without the anticipated extra snow coming in 2 days on Friday.
I can't see anything.
Let's get off. This thing is on here. Right now, you're rolling?
Says record.
We're coming down Stonefield Drive from our trip out to Giant and Blockbuster. And you can see the street is just absolutely treacherous, and we have looks like a stalled vehicle in the road down here. Several cars backed up here waiting to get down the street. People are out helping shovel, and who knows what's going on, but we're coming to a stop.
Shut it off for now.
And you can see now we are stuck trying to get down the street. Looks like they're digging someone out up ahead there. I've gotten out of the vehicle. There's Mom inside. Stuck in the snow. We have a vehicle behind us here. There is one lane plowed going down the street, but it's still several inches of hard packed snow and everything. And I wish there was another way to get down our street, but there really isn't. So looks like we're just gonna have to be stuck here, waiting to see what's gonna happen. We have freed that car. Took about 5 minutes, but they got going. It was very treacherous through that Rockland Drive intersection, deep snow, and just continues to go slow down the hill here, with Mom now in command of the Buick. Keep your eyes on the road, lady. And it looks like we have another stopper up here, so who knows if we're ever going to get down. Oh, we're starting to move again now. That's a good sign. Very good sign. Here we have some kids climbing through the snow on their way down from a sledding expedition, it looks like. We're still trying to move through the Stonedale Drive intersection here. And yeah, down on the road, very icy. Turning right here, Mom's guy. You can see the driveways plowed out with just the mountains of snow around them.
Are we going to try to back in the driveway?
Slow going down through here, sliding all over the place. And we're back. It took us about 17 minutes to get down Stonefield. Normally it takes 2. So, what do you think about the first excursion during the blizzard of '96?
Oh man, I'm glad I haven't had to go to work in this. I'll tell
Are
you
you
that.
working tomorrow?
Yeah, I'm supposed to. I'm gonna go around and get the garage door. You want your gloves?